Hey, Tada Sunday Sun readers, this is Ed Bongani _ Mdagani from Ed Sunday Sun SA. We are back with more stories because things were happening this week. You know, we have so many stories that will definitely give you some goosebumps. So many things, you know what I'm talking about. But now I just want to tell you that there is a fashion guru who is telling this famous musician that she's a failed pop, she needs to take a hot bath and get some serious scrubbing because then we have another story about Kelly Khumalo and Arthur. Remember, there is a song that they said they are doing together. Remember now, this song is causing some serious trouble. It is making people to fight. Get the paper and get that story to understand what you're talking about. Then we have another story about the Mukwaiwas. Hey, this family is very cursed. There are a lot of problems taking place in this family. Get this story in your favorite newspaper, Sunday Sun. Later, we have another story about this actor from Isidingo. Yes. This guy is in trouble because he ran away from a restaurant, or should I say a nightclub. Yes, because he didn't want to pay his bills. They wanted him to wash the dishes. Then he ran away. Clean pair of shoes. Bye bye. Over. Yes, later I'll tell you that you need to follow Sunday Sun on Twitter. It is @SundaySunSA. Then our Facebook page is Sunday Sun. After that, get everything right. Enjoy your paper. It's Sunday. Relax. Ayoba. Cheers.